everyone. Okay, today in our phonics lesson we're just going to go through all of the phase 2 initial sounds. There's a couple that belong in the middle, but they're single sounds from phase 2, and I'm going to use this Twinkle presentation that I have downloaded. Twinkle's a really good place to find resources for all phases in phonics, so take a look if you can. Okay, so we have our first sound, S for socks, S for sun, submarine, sunflower. Can you think of anything else that begins with a S? A for apple, A for astronaut, ambulance, ant. Can you think of anything else? For tomato, T for tiger, T for television. Can you think of anything else beginning with a T? For parcel, for pencil, for pig. What else can you think of that begins with a P? I for ink, I for igloo. I is in the middle of lots of words. N for nose, N for nurse, N for nostrils, N for no. M for mouse, M for mummy, M for mouth, M for marshmallows. Oh, I love marshmallows. Can you think of anything else beginning with a M? It's making me feel hungry. D for dinosaur, D for daddy, D for dragon, D for dolly. Can you think of anything else? D for dog. G for goat, G for green, G for good. Can you think of anything else? O for orange, O for off, O for ostrich or octopus. What else can you think of that begins with an O sound? For carrot. This is a curly K that we have in the words cat and cake, crackers. Can you think of anything else beginning with a K? Then we have another one. It's a kicking K. This time for key. The kicking K, we kick the leg at the bottom, also is in the word king. Can you think of another kicking word? What have we here? We've got both of the K letters that we know, the curly one and the kicking one, but they still make the K sound even though they're together. We don't have to say it K twice, we just say it once. And here is a picture of a rocket. This K sound is in the middle of the word rocket. Rocket. Sometimes this is at the end of a word like duck. You can hear the K at the end, and it's these two together. E for elephant, E for egg, E for enormous. Can you think of anything else beginning with an E? For umbrella, for up or upstairs. For robot, for red, for rainbow. What else can you think of that begins with an For hand, for hot, for hello. Can you think of anything else that begins with a maybe a hat? B, b, b for bird. B for blue. B for ball. B for bat. Bunny. You think of anything else? Help me out. We have a f for flower. I love flowers. A f for fish. A f for fish fingers. Ooh, delicious. Ooh, now we've got two of them here. This is a longer f. Now this, if you see two of these together, they're at the end of a word or in the middle of a word. So if I said the word muffin, the f is in the middle. Muffin, muffin. If I said huff and I'll puff, just like the big bad wolf, it's at the end of the word. Huff, puff. Can you hear that? That's two of them together. Ooh, ooh for leaf. Ooh for leg. Ooh for lips. Ooh for lipstick. My favourite thing in the world, I think. I love lipstick. Ooh. We have two of them now, look, just like the f. We have ooh, ooh, but we only say it once. It's just a long ooh, and again, it's in the middle of a word or at the end of a word, and today it's in jelly, so it's in the middle, J-E, jelly. If I said I'm full up from eating all the jelly, it's at the end of the word full, f-ooh, full. And finally, we have two s letters, but they just make one sound. It's just a long s at the end of the word grass, grass. Okay, sometimes it can be in the middle of a word like sassy. If you're a bit sassy, the s will be in the middle of that word. Well done, everybody. You are doing really well. If you can't remember what all of these sounds look like, you just keep practicing. Can you do that for me? Yeah, keep practicing. Keep up the brilliant work. Give yourselves a firework. Ready? Whoosh! Brilliant. You are superstars. Keep practicing. Thank you for now. Bye-bye.